How to open XPS files in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to view this file format using the XPS Viewer app. First, check if you already have XPS Viewer installed by searching for it in the Start menu. After that, if it's not there, open Settings, then click on System. From there, click on Optional Features. At this point, click on View Features next to add an optional feature. In the next step, type XPS into the search bar, check the box next to XPS Viewer, then click Next. Following this, click Install and wait a few minutes for it to complete. Once installed, right-click on the XPS file you want to open. From here, select Open With. At this stage, choose XPS Viewer from the list of available apps. Keep in mind, check the box that says Always use this app if you'd like XPS files to open with this viewer automatically going forward. Finally, click OK, and the file should now open directly within XPS Viewer for you to read. And that's it. If this guide helped you open XPS files in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.